You're ready to be enlightened by a course in just 3 to 4 hours. Generative AI for everyone is exactly what you need. A course designed for everyone. This online generative AI course breaks down complex concepts into manageable segments, making it easy for anyone to understand. Conveniently offered on Coursera by deeplearning.ai, the course spans just 3 weeks with a commitment of 1 to 2 hours each week. That's right. With just 3 to 4 hours of study and an additional hour for quizzes, you will then have a fundamental understanding of what generative AI is, its applications, and even its limitations. What's your biggest question about AI right now? Let us know in the comments below. This course is taught online by Stanford University's own professor, Andrew Ng. Andrew is a pioneer in the field of artificial intelligence and who makes learning both engaging and insightful. Many students have pointed out his great teaching style in their online reviews. The course structure is concise yet comprehensive. In Module 1, Introduction to Generative AI, you'll spend about an hour uncovering the basics of generative AI. You'll learn what it is, how it functions, and explore its common applications and limitations. This first module sets the foundation for your journey into the world of generative AI. In Module 2, Generative AI Projects, you'll dive deeper and spend 2 hours learning how to navigate through the life cycle of a generative AI project. From the initial concept to the final launch, this module equips you with the skills to craft effective prompts and manage AI projects, enhancing your practical experience. In the final hour, Module 3, Generative AI in Business and Society, explores the broader impact of AI technologies, assessing potential opportunities and risks within business and societal contexts. It prepares you to make informed decisions that could shape your career or business. Imagine how mastering these skills could transform your professional life. But wait, hold on. Why study generative AI in the first place? And what is generative AI? Generative AI is one type of artificial intelligence designed to create original content for everyday use by all of us. We're talking about everything from images, essays and stories to jokes and music. It even includes advanced AI creations, like those from ChatGPT and Bard, now called Gemini AI, which generate the written form and conversational responses, and DALL-E and Stable Diffusion, which generate artistic images and realistic simulations. So what makes this course stand out? It's the hands-on approach. You'll engage with real generative AI tools and tackle projects from start to finish, from conception to launch. This practical experience is invaluable, equipping you with skills like effective prompt engineering and strategic AI use in business, and for use in your everyday life. Don't just take our word for it. With over 217,000 enrollments and a stellar 4.8 rating, learners have praised the course for its clarity and approachability. And that 4.8 rating is from over 1,100 students as we are filming this video. From helping you spot AI opportunities to understanding the ethical implications, this course covers it all. Upon completion, you'll earn a certificate that's perfect for boosting your resume or enhancing your LinkedIn profile. It's more than just proof of completion, it's a testament to your understanding of one of the most significant technologies today. Ready to dive in? The course is flexible and starts soon, so you can learn at your own pace. Whether you're looking to complete it leisurely over a few weeks or binge watch it over a weekend, Generative AI for everyone is ready for you. Check out the link in the description below to enroll for free and start your journey into generative AI. And remember to check out these next videos where we dive deeper into maximizing your learning experiences for job and career success. Subscribe for more insights and tips. It's never too late to invest in your future.